Hello everybody, welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars, and it's time for Friday Funnies! We've made it through another week, and it's time to kick off the weekend with some laughs, and so it's time for Friday Funnies. And we want to thank our sponsor, C&D Automotive. If you're looking for a mechanic that is trustworthy and honest, be sure to check out C&D Automotive. Now, not to start off Friday Funnies on a downer, I hate to do it, but I'm wearing my Dallas Cup shirt today. I found out last night that the Dallas Cup has been canceled for 2020, along with a lot of amazing other things. South by Southwest Festival in Austin, the NBA season, the XFL. I've got my Dallas Renegade stuff up there because of the health situation that is gripping the world right now. If you or anybody you know has been affected by that, complete condolences to you. The Dallas Cup has been super special to our family. Nash has got to play in it a couple of years now. And we've met some incredible people and have made some amazing friends from around the world. Part of that, the Dallas Cup, is players come in, they stay with host families. And so a big shout out to Pedro and Nacho and Fabian and Jasper and Neil. These are amazing guys that we've had the opportunity and pleasure to have them in our house and get to meet them. And of course, their families. Hello to everybody, Nacho Sr., Jorge, all of you. Thank you all so much. So this year, sadly, everybody's going to miss out on the wonderful experience of the Dallas Cup. There are families that travel from all around the world, players due to play, and of course, with all that's going on, that's just not safe for anybody right now. So to our friends in Germany, hello. To our friends in Spain, hello. So we thought with all that going on, we definitely need a laugh. We think laughter is the best medicine. So we're going to jump in here to Friday Funnies and see what we have found today. Thank you to everybody who sent in some Friday Funnies. We're going to share those. Okay, so let's jump in here. Let me grab it. Okay, I have seen this picture, and it took me a while to figure out what's going on. So look at this picture right here and tell me, do you believe in UFOs? Is that not a UFO up there in the sky? What is happening? What is happening? The people below cannot figure out what's going on. They've got this UFO floating over their head. Now, what if I to tell you? Let's look at that again. What do you see? Okay, so this picture has been flipped. When you flip it, you realize right away what is going on. Someone has driven their SUV into the lake. So what you're seeing is the reflection of the people standing on the shore, right? So that's everybody standing on the shore. They're trying to figure out how to get this car out of the lake. But perception is reality, and when it was flipped upside down, we got pretty concerned we had a UFO. All right, let's jump into this one. Okay, this one actually aggravates me. This one isn't really funny. This one is just like, what are people doing, right? You're obviously on a freeway. You're driving along. Check out this white car. See that white car right there? They have decided, past the point of no return, that's the exit that they need. So what do? Instead of going to the next exit, looks like they're in a town area, there's probably more exits, they just stop. So this poor truck that's coming right there, he has to slam on his brakes. He saves it once, can't save the tip over. They see him crash. This is the crazy part. They see him crash, but they keep going. This poor truck driver, he jackknives. He slides up to him. They stop and see that. Do they stop to render aid to make sure they're okay to apologize? No, they just drive on. I just amazed at people. I cannot believe that you would see all that happening around you, knowing you did it, and just drive off. You know, when they got home, they were probably like, yeah, there's a lot of crazy drivers out there. I have shown that video before, but we had to look at it again because it blows my mind that people are that inconsiderate. Okay. We see a lot of parking videos. I love the videos where we see people trying to parallel park. The other day we had the lady who drove right into the utility pole. This person had a bad day trying to park. Look at how many times, how many donuts did they have to do to get in there? Look at that. That was insane. I can't even imagine. That is awesome. That was one thing what I loved about driving the smart car is I could just pull in. Like it didn't have to worry about parallel parking. I could just pull in. So yeah, but you know what? They got it in there and they're parked good. It's just the snow gave them away that was a bad job. This one, someone has a great sense of humor. So they're trying to control everybody from speeding in their neighborhoods. So they put up a high score. Oh, that's so bad. It's really bad, but it is pretty funny. Oh, man, people are funny. Great sense of humor there. This guy I don't know exactly what's happening. The Cadillac has made him upset. You know, we've all had that situation where we've been upset at our cars. Maybe it's broken down for the umpteenth time or whatever. So he takes a baseball bat to it. Watch his head. Bong. Watch it again. That second one. Oh, gosh, that is such a bad hit. Woo! Okay, I don't know what happened here. You guys tell me, what's the caliber of whatever shot that car? Because that is bad. That is really, really bad. Someone had a bad day. Yesterday, we watched the video where someone crashed into the McLaren dealership and smashed a couple of cars. I'll put the link there so you can watch it. Someone had a bad day right there. They got shot. Okay. I know we talk about cars and trucks and all that. So just bear with me for a second. Give me a little leeway. The basket has wheels, so technically it's transportation. Watch this poor lady. If you notice that yellow line, you would think that's a ramp. That's not. That's a curb. Watch how slowly this poor lady falls. Watch this. Slow motion. You ever fall and you're like, I got it. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm sure that was going through her head. Watch that again. That is so funny. Boom. Oh, I got it. Boom. Never, until she's on her back, never let go of the handle. Like she rode that bad boy all the way to the ground. Poor thing. That guy was nice. He ran over there to take care of her. I know you've seen this video. And it looks like Target. You know, you got guys, they loaded a ton of shopping carts into that semi-trailer. That is a lot of carts in there. They've done a great job. That's probably been the majority of their afternoon, if not their whole day. They're going to be shipped off to a store where they're going to be used by families who are buying stuff from Target. The only problem is they didn't shut the door. This guy's like, oh, the lady's like, oh no, the guy right there, he's just like, oh, did you see that? Watch it again. Oh my gosh. Oh, such a bad day. And he just keeps driving. Oh, that's so bad. Oh, okay. When I was younger, I used to have a Western Flyer bicycle, and the handlebars curved like this, and the bike weighed, I don't know, 300 or 400 pounds, it felt like. And we would put ramps in the middle of the street, and we would jump over stuff. And every time I would land, like spokes would pop out. To the point that I finally saw the movie Rad. If you ever seen the movie Rad, go send me an angel. Woohoo! Great movie. I finally got my first BMX bike and tried to do freestyling and all that. But it used to be with a Western Auto big radial flyer thing. So I understand like doing jumps and stuff in the street. I do not understand exactly what's happening here. Let's just watch. Just watch the guy on the motorcycle. Oh, woo. Boom. Oh. Now, there's a reverse angle of this. So when we have the reverse angle, I immediately thought this has to be a movie, but I don't think it is. Let's just back up a little bit. Oh, he hits so bad. Look, he also kisses. Look the way his head bent when he hit the handlebars. Boom. That's a bad day. I don't even know what broke off the front for sure. So the guy that's filming across the street, look, there he is. That's not a movie camera, guys. That's just a camera. So this is a couple of guys, well, at least three. We got another camera in here who decided that we're going to jump across the street. Look, look how high. See him over here? Look how far he went. He missed his ramp. Now, if you're not familiar with jumping motorcycles or bikes or whatever, it's the deacceleration that you have for that ramp. It absorbs that momentum as you're coming down. You land on it, and that kind of takes just the boom fall. Not for this guy. He just slams into the ground. Oh, watch it. Ready? Boom. Okay, we're going to watch it one more time. Going too fast. Like, he really wasn't going super fast, so the ramps were way too close together. Check out. Way too much run-up speed. Way too fast. Just, ugh. Shout out to Evel Knievel. I know he's not with us anymore, but I loved Evel Knievel. That was one of my heroes. I remember waiting and waiting to watch him on ABC Wide World of Sports to see him jump over something. I remember I was younger. I was waiting and waiting to see him jump over a tank full of sharks. And that, or one shark. Either way, that was the highlight. And then I guess he had wrecked in practice and taken out a cameraman. I think the cameraman lost an eye or something, and they scratched it. And I was devastated because I wanted to see Evel Knievel jump that night, but didn't happen. But anyway, here's this guy. He tried it. Not a good day. Not a good day for him or his motorcycle. Pretty rough. Okay, as you guys know, I used to drive the Smart. This is good. I love the mod on that. Made it a little outlaw car. I miss my Smart. Man, I'd like to have another Smart back. Oh, today's about bad days. This guy, he's just sitting there at the traffic light. He's minding his own business when this big giant semi comes out next door and just, just takes his, look, he just takes him for the ride. Look, the guy is driving, has no idea this happened. So the driver of this car, he starts to bail out, but I think there's somebody else in the car. So I think he goes back in. I think he gets both of them out, drags the other person out. And then the poor car just gets taken for a ride and smashed. Oh, that's a bad day. Oh, that is such a bad day. Okay. Got this one sent to me by a few people. Yeah, I've heard of Whiskey Throttle for motorcycles. I am not totally sure what happened here. Just watch. Whoa, boom. It happens so fast. That's what I don't understand. He's not totally in the car yet when it takes off. So I don't know what happened unless he slid in and thought he was hitting the brake and hit the gas, but check that out. Whoa, boom. Oh, boss. We had a bad day. Okay. There is road rage. Okay. So you do have to be careful. People are crazy. People are absolutely nuts. And this is scary. This was sent to us by a viewer. I'll put their license, I'll put their name and stuff there. This is insane. Just watch this. So I don't know what happened. There's been a wreck there. Something's happened there. This guy in red is upset. He's from the little car to the left. He kicks the driver's window in this car. He's looking at whatever happened here. Maybe they were fighting for that parking spot. I don't know. So the driver here pulls away. Probably smart. This other guy's not done. So he takes his little car, spins it around. This guy's getting out of the car. Watch this. Now, okay, you probably already see this is not going to go well. Watch what happens. Boom! He almost takes out the guy getting out of his car. I mean, that is as scary as it gets. Check this out. That guy he had to have been hit, his feet, surely. And then this guy takes off, and he flashes a sign here at us as he goes by. Don't look at that. Yep. One finger salute there as he goes on. I'm like, that's crazy. It's crazy to think you went from an accident, a car accident, okay, that's bad, to you almost killed somebody. So, we got to control our road rage. We cannot let things like that happen. That's scary. But I like to show things like that because that's probably a pretty nice guy most of the time. It's just whatever happened right there was enough to send him absolutely over the edge. All right, so super thank you to everybody who sent in videos. We've got some license plates that are coming up next week. I'm going to go ahead and announce it that Danis, congratulations, Danis Gresco. If you remember Danis, Danis owns the Suicidal Samurai, that Suzuki Samurai that is just badass. He created that. He's been helping out with the show so much, sending over ideas, sending over stuff for us to watch on Friday Funnies. And next week we will be presenting him with his license plate. If you want a license plate, visit CoryTurnerTalks.com and you can find out how you can earn your license plate. And it's basically supporting the show, helping us with ideas for new shows, things we should do, sending over Friday Funnies like that so that we can check those out, and helping us spread the word about the show. We only need 10 more subscribers, guys, and we will hit 400. Absolutely amazing. I owe it all to you. So thank you all so much. Don't forget, next Friday is Friday Funnies, so send me the funny stuff you find online. Remember to like, comment, and share. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's talk about cars tomorrow.